everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama out here in the lot today because we've got a brand new sale. It's the beginning of June and we are always happy when we start a new month because that means we've got a whole new sale page. Wanted to jump into this baby. This is a 16 by 60. We call this the Attica, on clearance for $63,000. And it's a great space. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath and a wide open floor plan. Let's go inside and check it out. We're gonna walk directly into the living area. And it is wide open to the kitchen. 46 by 61 window is standard here. Got plenty of space for a dining room table. And let's see, going this way, we've got the back door. Now in this particular floor plan, there is the option to move that door all the way down to the other end of the home, right down there. Not a bad idea to put a 9 light with a bunch of windows in the door to kind of brighten up that space down there, or to add some transom windows. That could be done too. When you're coming in the back door, you're gonna see the furnace, laundry area. Then you'll take a walk right into the primary bedroom. Now this accent wall is an option. It is a free option and you can change it up if you like. There's a couple places you could put that accent wall. So by the way, if you're ever looking at a floor plan and you see little tiny X's on the floor plan, that's what that means. That means you have an accent wall available. Here in the closet, you're gonna find the water heater back there. Here's the primary bath. They've added a walk-in shower. That would be a standard tub shower combination. Single vanity. Hi, everybody. So this is just a nice, good priced home. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 16 by 60, and affordable. Perfect. Coming down here into the other end of the home, this is where you could move that exterior door all the way down here, which is nice because when you're coming in, you have a nice foyer area where you could take off your boots or whatever you want to do. Here's your second bedroom, bedroom 3, and bath 2. So, great space for a great price. We can have this baby to you in about 6 to 8 weeks. Taking orders for August delivery right now. On clearance for $63,000. That sale is gonna go until June the 17th. Give me a call, let's design yours. I'm happy to have you. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.